Hello and welcome to Brainy Gardener. In our video today, we are showcasing 10 of the most popular small cacti plants, which makes them some of the best indoor cacti for people who have limited space. Cacti are among the most popular plants in the world. They come in all shapes and sizes and have a unique and instantly recognizable look. But only small cacti are best suited as indoor houseplants, making them a great choice for anyone who wants a low-maintenance garden. If you love cacti and have limited space, these 10 small-sized cacti centerpieces can provide a sense of luxury to your home. Let us get started. Number 1. Holiday Cactus, Schlumbergera. The holiday cactus is a genus in the family Cactaceae. There are 6 species in this genus, all native to parts of Brazil. They are popular as houseplants during winter holidays due to their brightly colored flowers, which typically appear around the holidays. 3 species are particularly of note, those being the Christmas cactus, the Thanksgiving cactus, and Easter cactus. Each of these 3 species blooms around the time of their namesake holiday. Their appearances are quite similar, making differentiating them from each other somewhat difficult. Enthusiasts like to grow these cacti around the holiday season since they remain small year-round and bloom just as the festive season rolls around. Number 2. Bunny Ear Cactus, Opuntia microbaces. The bunny ear cactus is native to Mexico. It is also known as polka dot cactus and the angel's wings cactus. Its flattened stems form curious oval pads resembling the ears of a bunny. In addition, each stem pad is covered with small white dots, polka dots, if you were. Opuntia microdaces is a popular choice for gardens as it is easy to care for and can tolerate a wide range of conditions. Be careful when handling this species, however. Contact can cause severe skin irritation, so try to use gloves whenever possible. This small cactus only reaches about 3 feet when fully grown, but indoor plants rarely reach their full height. A mini cactus is perfect as a desktop feature. Number 3. Rat-tail cactus, Cactus flagelliformis. The rat-tail cactus is a species of cactus that is native to Mexico and Central America. It gets its common name from its long, thin, rat-tail-like stems. The rat-tail cactus's stems have a trailing habit, perfect for hanging baskets. Although this cactus stretches the definition of small cactus, its spread can get quite large. Regular pruning can keep it under manageable levels. It does best in full sun. The sunnier, the better. It is a relatively easy plant to care for and makes a great addition to any indoor garden. Number 4. Sea Urchin Cactus, Echinopsis. The sea urchin cactus is a genus of cactus that is native to South America. There are about 130 species in this genus, all of which are characterized by their spines resembling the spines of a sea urchin. The most common species under this genus in cultivation is the Easter lily cactus, Echinopsis oxygona. Most Echinopsis remain small throughout their lifetime, making them one of the favorites to be grown indoors by many cactus lovers. They do best in full sun and require moderate water to thrive. These cacti are also very tolerant of poor soil conditions. Number 5. Moon Cactus, Gymnocalycium mehanabachai. The moon cactus is endemic to South America. It is a hybrid of 2 cacti species, the Gymnocalycium mehanabachai and any cactus from the Hylocereus genus. The result is a plant that has the body, or ribs, of the Hylocereus and the flowers of Gymnocalycium mehanabachai. These are what you would call grafted cacti, and they're quite a treat to grow. You can't propagate them in any way. Each iteration of the moon cactus is a result of the combination of 2 separate cacti. The scion, top portion, of the moon cactus is usually brightly colored, owing to its lack of chlorophyll. Number 6. Peanut Cactus, Echinopsis chimicereus. The peanut cactus is a species of cactus that is native to Bolivia and Argentina. It gets its name from its shape, which resembles a roasted peanut. The peanut cactus is a mini cactus, only reaching heights of about 6 inches, even when fully grown, making it perfect as a potted container on a windowsill or desk. Under harsh sunlight, provide the plant with some shade, but otherwise, it thrives in direct sunlight. Water infrequently as Echinopsis chamaesyrius is quite drought tolerant. Number 7. Bishop's Cap Cactus, Astrophytum myriostigma. The Bishop's Cap Cactus is native to Mexico. It gets its common name from its shape, which resembles a bishop's cap. It is also called the monk's hood cactus or bishop's mitre in some circles. This cactus can grow to about 2 feet, but indoor specimens remain small throughout their lifetime, making them ideal potted houseplants. The Bishop's Cap Cactus does flowers consistently throughout the year, and it doesn't require special care to make its flowers blossom. It also doesn't have any spines that protrude from the stem. It's one of the safest cacti to keep around if your house has curious pets or children. Number 8. Orchid Cactus, Disopcactus ackermanii. The orchid cactus is a species of cactus that is native to Mexico and Central America. It gets its common name from its flowers which resemble orchids. The orchid cactus is a small cactus, only reaching heights of about 12 inches. It has a spreading habit which makes the cactus twice as wide as it is tall. The bright red flowers that emerge in the summer will steal the show in any garden. And if you're planning on growing this cactus indoors, it will immediately draw the eye of anyone that enters the room. The only indication that these aren't real orchids is the flashness of the stems. Number 9. Powder puff cactus, Mammillaria bacchusana. Mammillaria species are small in general, but the powder puff cactus is small even in its genus. It only reaches about 4 inches of height even when fully mature. On top of that, it is among the easiest cacti to grow in the entire cactus family. For a beginner gardener looking for an introduction to cacti, the powder puff is a great place to start. Powder puff is native to Mexico. It gets its name from the white, woolly puffs that cover the plant's surface. Number 10. Rose Pincushion Cactus, Mammillaria xiomaniana. The rose pincushion cactus is a species of cactus that is native to Mexico. It gets its name from the deep red flowers that bloom in the spring and summer. The rose pincushion cactus is small and remains a mini cactus forever. It's among the rarest of cacti in the Mammillaria genus, making it a highly desirable acquisition among enthusiasts. This cactus is a great choice for anyone looking for something that blooms consistently throughout the year. The deep red flowers are a welcome addition to any garden, and they contrast beautifully with the green of the plant's body. If cultivated correctly, the flowers form a wreath of flowers around the top of the cactus,